So here we move to our genetics homework for this week. So let's start with question one. Question one says that myopathy is genetic disease due to a single gene. This gene is situated on the chromosome X, consists of more than 2 million base pairs of nucleotides. It permits the synthesis of a muscular protein. It's called the dystrophin. The fragment of the transcribed strand, pay attention here, they gave us, it's called the transcribed strand, represented below, correspond to the amino acid between 109 and 114 of the dystrophin. So here we have this sequence of the transcribed, meaning that it's the template, it's the non-coding. Following several mutations, the sequence of the nucleotides of the gene can change. Duchenne myopathy is due to one of these changes. So first, by the help of the genetic code table, indicate which of the amino acids between 109 and 114 is responsible for the dystrophin. So Hadil, please. First of all, they gave us the transcribed DNA strand. How can I find out the sequence of the mRNA? Yes, Hadil, I'm getting your answer. How can we find out the sequence of the mRNA? You can unmute yourself.
Complementary.
Yes, so we can make it complementary, but instead of T, it should be replaced by
U.
By U. Okay, so this is the current term. Thank you, Hadil. So transcribed strand, which is the template, is non-coding. We have to make it complementary, and instead of T is going to be replaced by U. And then we have to go to the sequence of the genetic code table and to find the answer. They said determine the consequences of the mutation of the polypeptide sequences taking place on the fragment of the transcript if the gene possesses a nucleotide T instead of C in position 12. What do they mean by position 12? Codon number 12 or nucleotide number 12 here? What do you think, Muhammad?
What can you repeat, please?
The gene possesses a nucleotide T instead of C in position 12. What do you think? They mean here position 12, codon number 12 nucleotide. Or nucleotide? Yes?
They mean the codon.
They mean the codon number 12. Look here, Muhammad. How many codons? Here we have the first codon. You are with me here? First codon, CCA. This is the second codon. This is the third.
They mean
codon.
the nucleotide.
This is the fourth. This is the fifth. And here, this is the sixth codon. So we have only 6 codons. So we have 18 nucleotides. So sure, they mean the number of nucleotides.
12 nucleotides.
Number nucleotide 12. So I have to number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, here it's 10. I have to move to 11 and 12. This is C. C is going to be substituted by T of the transcript, and then I have to find the sequence of the mRNA and to find out the sequence of the amino acid. Gene possesses a nucleotide T instead of A in position 15. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is T instead of A. So we substituted T instead of A in position 15. The last one, the gene possesses a nucleotide T instead of C in position 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here in 6, we have T instead of C in position 6, and then we have to find out the sequence of the mRNA, and then we have to find out the sequence of the amino acid. If we have a stop codon, it's going to be nonsense point mutation. If we have for example, a different amino acid, it's going to be missense, or if we have a stop codon, it's going to be nonsense, as I said, or if there is no change in the amino acid sequence, this will be what's known by the silent mutation. So this is everything related to this homework. This was very simple homework, and you can find out the solution on your app.